We're here with Dr. Tracy Fanara, and we are going to do a science experiment. Tell me what we're going to do today.
All right, so what we are doing today is we're going to clean water. You know, something that we take for granted by just turning on our faucet, that really is a miracle because there are people around the world without access to clean water. There's people right in the United States that don't as well. So I'm going to show you what happens in the natural environment and also what happens at a water treatment plant and why this stuff, activated carbon, is amazing.
Which you've already changed my mind because I need to get a new filter on the RV,
oh, you absolutely
or I might die. So
I won't go that far.
Okay.
Not right away, at least.
Yeah, perfect.
You might get sick though.
Okay, I don't really want to do that either.
Right. So you always want to change out your activated carbon because this stuff is the black pellets that you see in like Brita filter or Pure filter. That's what's in there. That's what's in your RV.
Okay.
And what it does, it has all these what are called active sites. So it has all these little holes, and they're polar. So they grab onto ions or any charged particles like salt, pollutants, anything like that, and pulls it in to the activated carbon. And it works remarkably well, and I'll show you how.
Okay, let's do it.
All right. So right now, we just have a regular coffee filter to take care of the big particles. Okay. We have some sand. I just use this regular sand, and I put it in the coffee filter in this 2 liter that I found from a dumpster, and then I drilled a hole on the bottom.
Okay.
You see that hole?
Yes.
Okay. So right now, I'd like to add a little bit more sand to our filter. So basically what we're doing is making a filter. And in our natural environment, we would have some pebbles, then we would have some sand, and the only reason why I don't have pebbles in here right now is because I lost them. But normally I have the big pebbles and then the small pebbles, and it represents what we have out in our natural environment.
Right, because it'd be flowing through so much ground.
Right,
Okay.
right, and that's how water has historically been treated. So what we do in a water treatment plant, what you have in your RV, is one step further than this, where we are going to add some activated carbon. And I'm going to show you how magic happens right
Okay.
now.
What?
All right.
So you said this is dirty water. So how is it dirty? What would be in this water?
This is water from it's mixed with a puddle, dirt. It's just really dirty water.
Generally not tasty.
This is the water that you would see outside. You shouldn't drink this water.
Okay.
I mean, you can. Do you want to drink
Nope,
this water?
I'm good.
Okay.
Yep.
All right, but look at how dark it is,
Yeah.
right? So we're going to do a visual showing of how this filter works.
Okay.
And just so simple, right? And the reason why I have this alum is because something that we use for cooking called alum that you can just get from the spice area, it's actually used as a coagulant in a wastewater treatment plant. So you put this in there and all of the heavy particles or all the big clumpy particles will clump together and then fall to the bottom. So they will coagulate and settle. And that's what this stuff is used for. It tastes terrible, and that's the only reason why we're not putting it in here right now, because we're gonna drink the end result.
Okay. Why is it a spice then if it tastes so bad? That's what I don't understand. Why does McCormick make it?
Well,
Crisp pickles to make pickles. Okay. You learn something new every day.
yeah, it does kind of taste very sour. Okay, so as you see, this disgusting dark water is coming through this filter with the activated carbon and the sand, and you can see this water is completely clear at the bottom.
It looks quite a bit different. So we're essentially using a natural process, but then at a water treatment plant, you're just speeding it up massively.
Well, you're doing a little bit better. Okay, so natural processes will remove a lot of the physical elements, but really what happens in our natural environment that's really effective is that biological breakdown. So yes, you are correct that we're using chemical removal of pollutants in a wastewater treatment plant, which is speeding it up. So yeah, you're totally right. Drink it?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Yeah.
Will you do it?
Yeah, I'll do it.
She's not afraid.
Should have used more carbon. See, it's a little cloudy.
Am I gonna die?
No.
Probably not.
Well, normally, okay, here's the thing. Normally, I have a UV pen that kills out the bacteria.
Oh, okay.
So that's the risk that you're taking.
You know what?
Right now.
The thing is, like, I have a pretty good gut
Bio?
bacteria. Yeah, I take a lot of care. So
Oh, I thought you were going the other way with it. How's it taste?
the other way, like I won't? No, I
Yeah.
absolutely will. I'm not afraid of anything. I mean, it tastes good.
Yeah?
I like it. It tastes like water. It doesn't taste like a puddle to me.
Oh yeah, it tastes like water.
Yeah.
Yep. Tastes like water. Want to taste what it tastes like with alum? Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Absolutely.
Cool. All right, we're doing this.
Okay. Because this would do even more than we just did.
Yeah. Totally.
Okay.
And we're gonna add more carbon too. Because I think I went a little skimpy with the carbon the first time around.
You can't skimp on
You can't
that.
skimp on the carbon. We're just gonna add.
Yeah. In general, this will balance it out. And we'll get all
general.
that good alum
Yes.
in us. Or alum.
Heck yeah.
My bad.
Nah, you could say it either way. I've heard people say it both ways. So it's gonna be nice and sour for you.
Okay.
Okay. Go for it.
Okay. Let's see how sour this is. I don't... You know what's weird is I like that. I don't mind the sourness to that.
Okay.
And I know that's
Okay.
probably odd, but it doesn't bother me at all.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, so I will add alum to all of your water treatment needs in the future.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, now I think we've learned something new. We've actually learned a lot of new things
Right.
today.
That's
And that's what I like about the podcast with my favorite scientists out there, because I want to learn new things. So
I learned new things too.
it was a good podcast. Yeah, so go check it out. Strangers Worth Meeting, anywhere you do podcasts, and on YouTube, because the video should be like pretty. And thanks to Dr. Tracy for being here, and thanks to you guys for watching. Go drink some good water.